Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today in this video I will show you money saving underarms shaving hacks. If you are a teenager, I know you will definitely worry about money. So I hope this video will helpful to you. Let's start the video. You can use your conditioner as a shaving cream. Yes, you can definitely use it. Hair conditioner is an easy option that's already in your bathroom. Sure, it's formulated to hydrate your hair, but it will have comparable effects on your skin. It will soften body hair, making it easier to shave off. You can use fresh aloe vera gel for shaving your underarms. Aloe vera gel is an excellent alternative for shaving cream because it goes on smooth and provides the perfect amount of slip without leaving you prone to pesky shave bumps. Plus, shaving with aloe vera can help you steer clear of irritated skin while simultaneously promoting the growth of new skin cells. Keep a jar of virgin coconut oil in the shower. Using about a teaspoon, massage into your legs or underarms, then shave as usual. When shaving, rinse your razor often. It will easily build up with oil. Use toner after shaving. You can use any type of toner. Today I use natural green tea toner. Toner removes any last traces of dirt, grime and impurities. When added to your daily skincare routine and used regularly, it can have major positive impact on the appearance and tightness of your pores. I hope this video will helpful to you. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.